Welcome to the KAWA P7 SST Teaching Topical Outline Part 1. Topic 1. Location of Africa on the map of the world. Content. Location and position of Africa using lines of latitudes and longitudes. Revise key terms, longitudes and latitudes. The equator, Greenwich meridian, tropical of Cancer, Capricorn, Arctic and Antarctic circle. Use latitudes and longitudes, major ones, to locate and show the position of Africa on the world map. Give a case study on the location of a country/district on a map using latitudes and longitudes. Revise the importance of longitudes, namely, the Greenwich meridian, telling time, and international dateline, 1800 WE, determining date. World continents in order of their sizes. Define the key terms and give a brief background on the evolution of continents from Old World continents, New World continents. Refer to continental drifts. Give brief information on the size, population, position, and location of each of the world's continents in order of their size, namely, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Note: visit the internet for current information on these continents. Water bodies that surround Africa. Define key terms: oceans, seas, straits, gulfs, channels. Briefly give information on oceans and seas that surround Africa, namely, Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, Indian, Antarctic oceans, seas, Red, and the Mediterranean. Regions that make up Africa. Explain key terms: region, regional powerhouse, largest economy. Give brief information on each of the 6 distinct regions of Africa, namely, West, Northern, Southern, Central, East Africa and Horn of Africa. Identify island countries that are considered part of Africa and give their respective capital cities. E.g. Madagascar, Mauritius, etc. Identify the regional powerhouse, largest economy in each of the regions, and Africa in general. Topic 2. Physical features of Africa. Names and location of physical features of Africa. Meaning of physical features and examples: highlands and mountains, rivers and lakes, plateau, rift valley, and coastal plains. Map of Africa showing physical features. Handle in details each of the major physical features listed above. Mountains and highlands. Revise 3 types of mountains and give examples under each. Explain in details each of 3 types of mountains and give examples. For each example: fault, Altos, block, Rwenzori, volcanic, Cameroon, etc. Explain different highlands found in Africa showing their location. Importance of mountains and highlands. Problems associated with mountains and highlands. Conservation of mountains and highlands. Map of Africa showing highlands and mountains. Lakes and rivers of Africa. Revise terminology related to lake and river drainage, estuary, delta, source, mouth, island, drainage, etc. Identify and locate major lakes and rivers of Africa in each of the distinct regions of Africa. Give specific facts on major lakes and rivers of Africa, e.g., largest/longest lake, river, deepest/longest lake, river. Revise the importance and problems associated with lakes and rivers. Conservation of lakes and rivers. The Rift Valley. Explain briefly the facts about the Great African Rift Valley. Revise terms related to Rift Valley. Escarpments, faultiness, etc., depression. Revise features associated with Rift Valley, namely escapements, salty takes, etc., and their characteristics. Give examples of lakes found in different arms of the Rift Valley. Economic benefits and problems associated with the Rift Valley. Conservation of the Rift Valley and Rift Valley lakes. The plateau. Meaning of the term plateau. Explain different plateau regions and their location in Africa. Economic importance and problems associated with plateau in Africa. Conservation of plateau features. A map of Africa showing plateau region. The coastal plains. Handle terms related to coastal features, coral reefs, corals, lagoons, etc. Locate coastal plains of Africa such as East African coastal plains, Northwest African coastal plains, etc. on the map of Africa. Explain the formation of coastal plains, coral reefs. Economic importance of coral reefs, and problems associated with them. Conservation of coastal plains. Consult the KAWA P.5 and P.6 textbooks to enrich your content on physical features. Other physical features of Africa, straits, gulfs, peninsula, etc. Give brief facts on them as well as their location. Formation of physical features. The Great Rift Valley varies for formation. The mountains, faulting, volcanicity and folding. Lakes, types of lakes and their formation. Rivers, stages of river formation and their related features. Coastal plains, a case study of north, south and west coastal lands. Other features, oceans, seas, islands, etc. Topic 3. Climate of Africa. Climatic regions, zones of Africa. Terms, climate, weather, aspects, and elements of weather, climate, weather instruments. Detailed study of climatic zones of Africa, Mediterranean, temperate, desert, tropical, equatorial, semi-desert and mountains. Characteristics of different climatic zones handled above. Highlight to pupils key characteristic features of different climatic zones. For example, temperature, rainfall, and plant growth. Climatic graphs, charts, and tables show different climatic characteristics. Factors that influence the climate of Africa. Critical study of each of the factors with emphasis on terms related to each factor. Nearness to water bodies, breezes, winds, types, landmass/ocean current, types, altitude/relief, human activities, global warming, vegetation. The effect of each of the factors that influence climate. Map of Africa showing the movement of ocean currents and winds. Influence of climate on human activities. Human activities are done in different climatic zones, desert e.g. nomadism, Mediterranean and temperate e.g. farming, viticulture, equatorial/tropical, agriculture, montane, tourism. Some human activities done in different climatic zones e.g. lumbering, nomadism, etc. Human activities that influence climate positively and negatively e.g. afforestation, deforestation, etc. Influence of human activities on climate. Climate change, global warming. Causes and problems associated with climate change and their solutions. Problems faced in different climatic regions and their possible solutions/adaptation.